What were your first impression when you found out that you won the tournament with as many as 5,000 traders?
Congratulations, guys. It was so exciting. Last minute, Evo got to the first place.
It was a very nice feeling at first. I didn't even see myself accomplishing, I didn't believe I was able to make it up there.
And what do you think about the whole community in MFA?
I was even looking for a time to give a shout out to the team. The team actually did a good job in the platform. We have coaches there that you can also ask questions and share your trade ideas. You can learn from each other. It's a very nice and engaging community. It also encourages young traders to grow. I'll rate it a 9 over 10.
Why MFA? Why MFA traders?
MFA could actually give what they gave out to the community. They hosted tournaments to also help struggling traders. And aside that, like, the customer support is actually very nice also. I trust MFA, and as time goes on, I will build more and more trust.
One piece of advice would you give to the traders who are watching this interview?
It all comes down to you. You only have to like to show up. Just put yourself out there. Opportunities are going to find you because you're working towards them. And when you're able to get hold of opportunities and you take advantage of them, you're going to win there. If I can do it, you all can do it also.
The episode's partner is MFA Traders. New instant live accounts have just been released, allowing you to start trading immediately without any challenges. You can trade conveniently from your phone or laptop and withdraw your profits instantly. Live accounts up to $50,000 are available now. Details in the description. Every Tuesday at 8 p.m., we host free live workshops where you can learn our author's trading strategy. Details in the description.
Hi Jim, how are you? How is it going?
I'm fine.
Good. Today we're gonna do like a short interview because you were one of the winners of our trading tournament. So I got few questions for you.
Yeah.
What were your first impression when you found out that you won the tournament with as many as 5,000 traders participating?
It was a very nice feeling at first, where there's much chaos happening to, be one of the lucky people out of 5,000 people is a feat that I didn't even see myself accomplishing,
Yeah.
So it was very nice. I felt very good about the whole thing. And at first, I didn't believe I was able to make it up there because, as you all know, that day it was very fierce. It was very tense and everything, So yeah, I felt very happy about the whole thing and very excited overall.
Yeah, a lot of participants, 5,000 people, and you won the tournament. So I think this is something huge. All right, so the tournament lasted about 6 hours in total. So how did you balance this with your daily life? Did you take time off work?
All right, as I mentioned the other day, I am a student, so I really don't have so much going on within me. So I just made up my mind that day I was going to dedicate it to the tournament and MFA. So that was what I made up my mind to do that day. So when I woke up that day, my morning routine was just normal the way it usually is. And what I did was I just got on my phone, made sure that I kept up with all the information, and when it was time, I logged in my account and I was like, okay, let's just give it a shot. If I'm not able to make it up to the first or to the top and I get disqualified, what I will do is I'll just stay on the YouTube live and watch the remaining participants do their thing. I mean, I could learn one or two from them. So it was not really a problem for me because I already made up my mind that I was going to dedicate the whole day towards the tournament. So yeah, to me it was a very important thing for me to do. So I just saw it as a whole day activity on my Yeah.
Okay, I think it was worth it because you won the tournament. Yeah, so in the final, within an hour, you managed to earn as much as $365.64 on the instant account with $5,000 of capital. And you done it in the last seconds, and that was pretty amazing. I think everyone was excited about that. So are you aware that some people don't earn that much in a week?
Yeah, it's a reality, I know.
Yeah. Have you planned on instant account before?
I'm more used to the traditional challenges, where you go through phase 1 and phase 2. So the drawdown, capacity is more. So when I got the instant account, what I did was I started tricking myself into thinking I have the $5,000 in life capital, and it messed up with me mentally, and I started over leveraging. Before I knew it, I lost the account. I couldn't get a payout from it.
Yeah, I think it's a mindset, so.
Yeah, it's a mindset.
If you know that you got instant account and you can, withdraw money straight away, you can make profits straight away, you got more emotions, and sometimes your decisions in the market are different. So yeah, maybe for some people, maybe like for you, it's better the challenge account. So you do it step by step. But anyway, you've done a pretty good job. So you also received access to Profitable Trader AI program, where you received, among other things, like access to new AI robot for automated trading on the market. So have you managed to check it out yet?
What I was able to do so far was when I registered for the competition, that was before the 17th, an email came along where they said I could actually check out the Profitable AI program, that I'll get 1 month free for it. So they also asked me to book a call with one of your assistants from the team, which I did. I booked a call with her. We did speak on the phone on call, and she walked me through the whole process on how to access the AI, how to, make use of it. So I know quite a few things about the Profitable AI, but I intend on, doing some more research on it as time goes on. I haven't really had that time this year to assess my trading and go through the trading the way I usually used to, but I will do so in the coming days ahead.
Yes, in the Profitable AI program, you can learn some strategies as well, and you got some trading tools. Most of them are for MetaTrader 4. So are you using MetaTrader 4 for trading or not really?
Nah, I mostly use MT5 because of how easy it is to drag and drop it and I sell. But MetaTrader 4, I've used it in the past where I've had to deal with firms that don't offer MT5, they offer MT4. So I've used MetaTrader 4 in the past, but it's not like I haven't used it for that long, but it's basically so easy to use. So yeah, I can actually use MetaTrader 4 also.
Okay, because in Profitable AI program, I'm not sure if you know that, but you got access to AI trading robot, which is trading by itself. You don't need to do anything. The robot is making some profits. You should check that because you can, install MT4 platform. You can open demo account. This trading robot is working with Axie broker. So just open demo account with Axie broker, put the AI robot and see how the robot is generating profits. And maybe in the future, if you're going to earn some money, of course, on instant accounts because you got a nice reward of $50,000 account. And if you're going to generate some profits, you can use some profits, for a live account with Axie, let's say. And maybe you can use that trading robot to trade for you. You can do it on the side. You can do your standard trading, but robot can work for you. You don't need to do basically nothing. So I think it's worth to check that out, and you can check it on like 10 different accounts. So we can use different settings, just put on each account robot with different settings and see how it works, because the robot is generating massive profits. Trust me.
I'll definitely check it out in a couple of days to come.
You cannot use the robot on instant or challenge accounts. You can only use it on live accounts, but hopefully soon you will get nice profits from your instant account, and maybe you will be able to open live account and generate some more profits.
Yeah, that's my plan actually.
The episode's partner is MFA Traders. New instant live accounts have just been released, allowing you to start trading immediately without any challenges. You can trade conveniently from your phone or laptop and withdraw your profits instantly. Live accounts up to $50,000 are available now. Details in the description. Every Tuesday at 8 p.m., we host free live workshops where you can learn our author's trading strategy. Details in the description.
Because you are in our community also, our Discord channel, man, what do you think about the whole community in MFA?
I was even looking for a time to give a shout out to the team. The team actually did a good job in the platform. I saw the robots that transcribe the words in Poland to English.
Yes,
is very helpful, and it works so seamlessly. I really love the community. When you have issues, you drop your complaints, the team will now reply to them during the convenient time. Then you go there and you see everything. It's also very nice that we have coaches there that you can also ask questions and share your trade ideas. You can learn from each other. It's a very nice and engaging community. It also encourages young traders to grow, in the sense that you can also link up with traders of similar minds, whereby you can know that mistakes happens. It also happens to the best of the best. When battles and other mentors drop their trade analysis and something doesn't work out well, you know very well that even the best of the best also take losses. So when it comes to your own time now and you're also taking losses, you're able to deal with them because you've seen similar experiences from other mentors that have also taken them. So in a very good community overall, I'll rate it a 9 over 10 because it works seamlessly and it's very easy to interact 6 people on there.
Yes, I think it's pretty good that you can speak to people from Poland also, because we got people, they don't speak English, and you can communicate. There is translation, so you can communicate to basically anyone in our Discord channel. So I think it's pretty good. Of course, now it will be even more activity because there was like a Christmas time, some holidays. So we are going back to normal from next week, and hopefully you're gonna enjoy Discord even more, because we're gonna put some more trading plans and stuff like that. So it's gonna look a little bit different. And because you got access to Profitable AI program, you also got access to live trading sessions. And from next week, we are starting our live trading sessions, and we're gonna have quite a lot of these live trading sessions during the day, about 6-7 hours. So different traders, different view on the market, different strategies, not only all in ASAP or price action cycle. We're gonna use some other strategies as well. So hopefully you will join our live trading sessions and enjoy it.
I joined the last one you did for the end of the year. I also joined the live call also.
Yeah, so I think we're gonna trade even more, because we are able to use more strategies, because on the previous week I was only using 2 strategies on live trading sessions, because I'm using more strategies, and my favorite strategy is smart money concept. And this year I can show that to the traders in our community also. So I think we're gonna have more trades, more profits, and it will be more interesting for everyone. Okay, we also know that you've been with us for over a year. What made you to choose us specifically? Why MFA? Why MFA traders?
The reason why I chose MFA traders then, because I remember very well that when I started following up with MFA, we weren't really that many in the community, like traders. It was just coming up. So there were a lot of opportunities, to take advantage of while the firm was still building. But it always wasn't the same for me. I messed up a couple of opportunities where I couldn't actually perform best the way I was supposed to. But then again, it was so cool seeing that MFA could actually give what they gave out to the community. They hosted tournaments to also help struggling traders. And aside that, like, the customer support is actually very nice also. And how they also give everybody a fair hearing. Most firms, when they are big, they see other customers as being belittled, and they really don't give little traders fair hearing, and their opinions don't count that much. But at MFA, it's a fair ground to everyone. No matter how little you are in the space, and no matter how up you are, as long as you have the skills, to be able to build on it, MFA is able to, offer you the platform, their platform, to also share your experience, and to also, communicate your minds and share your opinions on how you want them to also improve as a firm. So, a situation whereby the trader looks for improvements, and the prop firm also looks to also build themselves also, is a win-win for everybody. So you just have to have the skills and also work well with the prop firm. So once I noticed that MFA is a platform, or is a prop firm that actually gives traders a fair hearing, no matter how small you are in the space or how big you are, I just knew that, this is where I will need to actually put a lot of focus on, because I actually believe that in the future, I might stand a big chance of trading very huge capital with MFA, because people offer up to $250,000 in, trading capital. My dreams are big, so I aspire to also trade very large capital with the team, and, seeing the team stand the test of time, where they have actually gone through everything they have gone through, and they still deliver to what they say. It's actually a trustworthy place. So I trust MFA to an extent. And as time goes on, I will build more and more trust with MFA. So that was why it actually made me stick around this long.
Okay, that's very good. Good to hear that.
Yeah.
I don't know if you know that we got scaling program as well. So let's say you're gonna have account of $250,000, and if you're gonna keep your results, consistent results for about 4 months, at least 1.5% of profit each month, your account will be scaled up by 25%. So I think it's pretty good also.
The episode's partner is MFA Traders. New instant live accounts have just been released, allowing you to start trading immediately without any challenges. You can trade conveniently from your phone or laptop and withdraw your profits instantly. Live accounts up to $50,000 are available now. Details in the description. Every Tuesday at 8 p.m., we host free live workshops where you can learn our author's trading strategy. Details in the description.
Are you planning to participate in the next tournament?
Oh, I will. I will, even though I will actually be more conservative with my approach, but I will participate in this tournament. It's going to be hectic. That's one I know for sure, because people have seen, like, they have gained a first-hand experience of how the tournament works in the first round of the tournament, which happened last 2 months ago. So this time around, people are coming more prepared. Everybody's getting more prepared for it, and they know how it works, and they know how to actually, work on their skills to be able to come out on the top. So it's going to be hard, but then again, everything is based on probability. Anything can happen. So I will be there. I might fall off in the first stage, who knows, second stage or third stage, but I just know I will be participating, but I will make sure that I put my risks conservatively so that I'll be able to come out at least a few in the top spots, and also be able to get a live inside account, or even though it's 1K, 2K is a lot for me. So yeah, I'll be participating.
Yeah, that's good. And finally, what one piece of advice would you give to the traders who are watching this interview and dream of being in your place?
It all comes down to you. Now, me as a person, I am disciplined towards the things I do. Although I've not reached the peak discipline I aspire to get to, but I'm disciplined in the sense that I can say I want to do this thing and I'll keep to doing it. So it all falls down to discipline. Most time we focus on strategy, but it's not always the problem. Strategy is not always the issue. Most times it comes down to our discipline. As I said, I have a couple of live accounts with other friends at December, but I said I'm not going to trade them throughout that rough price action period, and I kept to it. And you might not know, but it may save you a lot. It may save you blowing the accounts and more if you're able to keep to being disciplined. And also, they should always show up. When you get up every day and you know very well that you have not achieved your goals and you have not gotten to where you want to be in life, the only hack to life is to show up. You never know when you're going to be. If I slept the day of the tournament and just feels like, oh, we are 5,000, there's no way I'm going to make it up there, and I just slept and just forgot about it, I will never know what luck holds for me, you get. So when you're able to just, show up, do the things you do, and just put yourself out there, opportunities are going to find you because you're working towards them. And when you're able to get hold of opportunities and you take advantage of them, you're going to win. There's no way you're going to always put in your best every time and always come out bad always. It's going to happen for a while, but you're going to learn and gain experience around the line, and you're going to come up at top. So to all struggling traders out there, I am also a struggling trader at the moment. I haven't really reached where I want to be, but so far so good. I've been able to acquire quite some things for myself as a trader also. So I just want to inspire you all out there. If I can do it, you all can do it also. You can also come out top in anywhere you find yourself. There are millions of traders around the world, but guess what? The only ones who make it to the top of wherever they are the ones who don't give up, and they always keep showing up. So yeah, that's basically it for now.
Thank you, Ejim. It was a great pleasure to have you here, of course, and we are happy that you participate in our tournament. Hopefully, we will see you on the next one. You've done the great job because you won the tournament, 5,000 participants. I think this is pretty amazing. Congratulations to you. Great job, and hopefully, I will see you on the next tournament somewhere on top. Fingers crossed for that. And thank you for today's interview. Probably we're gonna see each other on our live trading sessions. So next week we're gonna start from Monday. So hopefully I will see you there,
right,
and we're gonna trade together then.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you very much. Take care and good luck.
The episode's partner is MFA Traders. New instant live accounts have just been released, allowing you to start trading immediately without any challenges. You can trade conveniently from your phone or laptop and withdraw your profits instantly. Live accounts up to $50,000 are available now. Details in the description. Every Tuesday at 8 p.m., we host free live workshops where you can learn our author's trading strategy. Details in the description.